For almost a century, criminal procedure in Nigeria was governed by two principal laws, handed down by the British colonial government. The Criminal Procedure Code, CPC, was applied in the northern states, and the Criminal Procedure Act, CPA, in the southern states. Rather than enacting comprehensive legislation to tackle the inadequacies in the criminal justice system, successive military and civilian administrations merely legislated piecemeal laws to tackle specific problems in the criminal justice system. Those who suffered most were often the poor, children, women, and vulnerable groups. The system was slow, chaotic, and painful. Motions without movement, judgments without justice, interminable trials. Then, in 2015, a new law was born. The Administration of Criminal Justice Act, or ACJA, was enacted, thanks to years of advocacy and partnership between government and civil society. This was Nigeria's long overdue response to a broken system. ACJA repealed both the CPA and CPC. It merged their provisions into one federal law, intended to govern every step of criminal justice, from investigation to trial to sentencing. For the first time, Nigeria had a unified criminal procedure law at the federal level. The act preserves existing procedures, but adds bold innovations to make the justice system faster, fairer, and more efficient. Every provision in the ACJA is designed to ensure better case management, faster trials, and stronger protection for both suspects and victims. But the act did not automatically apply to the 36 states in Nigeria. According to Section 1(2) of ACJA, the act only applied to federal criminal offenses. Impressively, by December 2023, all 36 states had adopted the law, each passing their own administration of criminal justice law, or ACJL. While there are variations across states, their core contents remain the same. Together, they represent some of the most far-reaching reforms in Nigeria's legal history. No other piece of legislation has ever achieved such swift adoption in Nigeria. Not even the acclaimed Child Rights Act, which took 19 years, 2004 to 2023, to achieve full adoption. The ACJA is now widely recognized as the most revolutionary criminal justice law in Nigeria's history. It improves coordination between justice institutions. It standardizes practices across courts. It introduces timelines, prohibits delays, and bans tactics like endless interlocutory appeals that once derailed trials. It also establishes oversight committees to monitor compliance and mandates day-to-day trial proceedings to eliminate unnecessary adjournments. Although ACJA doesn't directly mention corruption, its structure fights it by removing loopholes, closing delay tactics, and increasing transparency. Today, ACJA and its state-level counterparts represent more than just laws. They symbolize hope. Hope for a justice system that works. Hope for a Nigeria where every trial ends in justice, not just judgment, and where the rights of all, rich or poor, victim or accused, are protected